Welcome to the last part of this tutorial. So we are almost done. We will just add a few more details. So please go to Modify and Chamfer, and we will select these two edges here on the cylinders, on the cones, sorry, and drag. So you see you get the red message, so just try with the number here and add a small number, something like 0.5. So we might increase it a bit, 0.8. I will go for 0.7 and click enter. So again, this is up to you. Then go to the back and select, go to chamfer again and select both these two edges, and we will give them a big chamfer. So we get this nice shape here. Then click enter. What you could do also, I think, I didn't do it on this one here, but you could go to chamfer again, or just go to fillet, and we can try to select these two new edges and drag. So you see you can make a nice shape. I think this looks nice. So just click enter. And what do we need now? We need two more fillets here. One thing I didn't say was that I removed the grid. So to remove it, just go click here, so it's easier to see. So again, go to fillet, select these two, and I think we'll type the number in 0.6 for me, and click enter. Then let's put on some small spheres. So just click on sphere and give it a radius of 1. Then when you place it, instead of placing it on the screen, on the grid here, which is hidden though, just click on the top of your spaceship on this face, and maybe you go to the left view here and select it, and using move tool you can move it down here, and we go to the top view also to make sure it's correct. To make a second one, just click it and click Ctrl C and Ctrl V and move another one here. And we want to merge them also, so go to combine and merge and select your spaceship and the two spheres and click enter. Okay, so now we are pretty much done. We have done the same thing as I did on the first one, except one thing that I forgot is the fillet behind. So go to modify, select fillet, and select this edge here and drag. So I think this looks okay, so click enter. So before I end this video, I just want to say that the way we did this model was by only using merge and subtract and some very simple sketches that we extruded together with fillet and chamfer. There's many in 3D modeling. There's always many ways of doing of making a model. This model could have been done by using many other tools, but because we only learned these few tools, I used them to show you how we could do it. But just remember that there are so many ways you could have made this one. Some could have been more complicated and some easier. But as you go through the next tutorials, you will see the different methods, and you will understand what I mean. So if you have made it this far, please try to add some more details on your spaceship. Some things could be to make some slots on the wing, for example, to make it, instead of so boring and flat, you can put a tin box if you want on, and use it, put it here just to make some other shape, and maybe put some fillet or chamfer here, or maybe you can also use subtract to make some marks on top. I mean, there's many things you can do. You can also try to put something at the end of the wing to make it look cooler, or on the top here, anything you want. And I hope you enjoyed it. So please go to the next tutorial if you manage to make this spaceship. Thank you for watching.